Welcome to our video on SQL functions. In this video, we'll check out the functions NVL, NVL2 and coalesce. Welcome to Nisra, where you learn something new every day. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications on our videos. We will look into the NVL function. NVL function converts a null value to actual value, meaning if a value or an expression is null, it will replace it with another value. The syntax is NVL of expression1, expression2. So expression1 is a source value or an expression that may contain null, and expression2 is a target value if expression1 is null. The important point is both expression1 and expression2 must be of same data type. The data type can be a date, character, or a number. Now we look into a simple example. Select NVL of apple, mango from dual. Here the function will check if the first expression is null. So the first expression is not null, so it will print the output as apple. So in the next example, we'll see select NVL of null, mango from dual. Here the first expression is null, so the function will pick the second expression and show it. So the output will be mango. Now we look into a real-time example. Consider a table where timesheet of the employees are entered. Their entry time and exit time are captured. Based on that, the total time is calculated. Here you can see there is no entry time for Joey. Now we are trying to see the time spent by each employee. To find Monica's time, we can write select name NVL of total time, 0 hours from the timesheet, where name is Monica. Okay. So when you see the table, the total value for Monica is not null. So the value total time of Monica is shown as output. Now let's find Joey's time. Select name NVL of total time, 0 hours from timesheet where the name is Joey. Now when you see the table, you can see Joey's total time value is null. So the NVL function will print the second expression, that is 0 hours. So the NVL function helps us to see the value in a different way when the actual value is null. Now we look into NVL2 function. NVL2 actually extends the functionality of NVL. NVL2 will let you substitute a value when a null is encountered as well as when a null is encountered. The syntax is NVL2 expression value 1 and value 2. So the expression is some value or expression that may contain a null. Value 1 is a target value if expression 1 is not null. Value 2 is a target value if expression 1 is null. Now we look into some examples. Select NVL2 of apple, mango and orange from dual. Here expression 1 is not null, so it will display value 1. The output will be mango. Let's see another example. Select of NVL2 of null, mango, orange from dual. Here the expression 1 is null, so the output will display value 2, which is orange. Now we look into a real-time example. Consider a table where the timesheet of the employees are entered. Their entry time and exit time are captured. Based on that, the total time is calculated. Here you can see there is no entry for Joey. Now we are trying to see if the employees are present or absent. So to find if Monica was present, we can write a query like select name NVL2 of total time, present, absent from timesheet where the name is Monica. Here the expression 1, that is total time for Monica, is not null. So the output will print Monica as present. We will look into another example. Let's find if Joey was present or absent. So to find that, we'll write a query select name NVL2 of total time, present, absent from timesheet where the name is Joey. Here the value of expression 1, that is the total time for Joey, is null. So the output will print Joey as absent. I hope you understand how NVL2 works and how it differs from NVL. Now we look into Coley's function. A Coley's function is used to return the first non-null value in the list. The syntax is Coley's of value 1, value 2 until value n. Value 1, value 2 until value n are values or expression that may contain null. We'll look into some examples. Consider I have a list like apple, mango, orange and grape. To find the first non-null value in the list, you can use Coley's as select Coley's of apple, mango, orange, grape from dual. Now, the first non-null value is apple, so the output will be apple. We look into another example. Now I have a list like null, mango, orange and grape. To find the first non-null value, you can use Coley's as select Coley's of null, mango, orange, grape from dual. Here the first non-null value is mango, so the output will be mango. We look into another example also. Consider I have a list like null, null, orange and grape. To find the first non-null value, you can use Coley's as select Coley's of null, null, orange, grape from dual. Now the first non-null value is orange, so the output will be orange. We look into another example also. Consider I have a list like null, mango, null, grape. To find the first non-null value, you can use Coley's as select Coley's of null, mango, null, grape from dual. Here the first non-null value is mango, so the output will be mango. Now let's look into a real-time example. Consider you have an employee directory containing the home phone, mobile phone and the emergency contact of the employees. You can see that all the numbers of the employees are not properly maintained. And now we have a requirement to get the phone numbers of all the employees. Here we can use the Coley's function. We can write a query like select name, Coley's of home phone, mobile phone, emergency contact from employee directory. The output will give us the first non-null value in all three columns. So the output will show Ross's home number, Chandler's mobile phone, Joey's emergency contact, Rachel's home phone number, and Monica's home phone number. This is how the Coley's function will work. Hope this example helps you understand how this function can be used in a real time. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for instant notification on our videos. See you all on our next video. Thank you.